So this is it guys, no. So kanila ni siya foam namo ni siya like ko actually mo namo sa mga foam ang ganan. So since ang ano dyan na to ang kung sacrifice dyan na to guys, no, foam from bed. So ready for sacrifice and soon makita ninyo ani siya o saan ni siya mahimo. So bye. This it mga kay-lover. This is the final look of our back dress. Our isang kakakalikasang back dress po. Again, it's made from eco materials and of course by truly yours, Conas Diseños. This is the final look. Again, see the details. Inspired po siya sa mga kakahuyan at saka mga dahon-dahon po. Again, hope makita nyo po ang ating full set ng ating new creation. Something and para siyang makakalikasan inspired of our mother nature. So, ayan. So, nakita nyo pa ang ating mga proseso on how to make this kind of our eco-friendly materials na back dress. So, medyo mahirapan po talaga tayo kasi yung mga materials na ginamit natin at saka yung proseso po nito. Again, this is your back dress and this is our creation. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is your Neville RC, your Eco Queen from Conas Diseños, a home of unique and original creations. Bye! Pwede check on stable. Ha? Yeah. Oh, nara. Oh.